Hi everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. Today we are going to talk about the uses of aloe vera oil. I made a video a couple of weeks ago showing you how to make aloe vera oil. So if you've not checked out that video, you have to click on the card up there to see it, or you can just wait till the end of this video. Aloe vera oil can be used as a pre-poo or hot oil treatment. So here is my aloe vera oil. I normally store it in the fridge and just bring it out when I'm ready to use it and give it a good shake. Then I take my hair and I section it into small sections so that I can easily walk the oil through my hair strand. What you want to do is that you want to concentrate the oil on the full length of your hair, making sure that you massage it through the length of your hair as you apply it to your hair. Now, doing it as a pre-poo will help your hair, especially if you use shampoos. It will help protect it, to give it more moisturizing values into it, and it can help you with detangling your hair. Aloe vera is really good because it has excellent sleep, so it will be able to detangle those knots that you have. So after you've applied it generously to your hair, what I like doing is I like twisting my hair away so that I don't tangle it up in the process. If you decide to use this as a hot oil treatment, after you've applied the oil throughout your hair, what you want to do is you also want to apply it to your scalp and also massage it into your scalp and work it in there. Then the last thing that you have to do when you put this oil, if you're going to do a pre-poo or you're going to do a hot oil treatment, is to cover it with a plastic cap. With a hot oil treatment, you do want to sit under a dryer if you want to, but that's it. Aloe vera oil can be used with other oils to create a hair growth oil. When you add castor oil to it, which helps with the hair loss and thickening of the hair and also scalp infections, you can also add in lavender oil, which helps with itchy scalp, dandruff, and also growth. And lastly, peppermint oil will help stimulate the growth and help you with blood circulation, and that is your hair growth oil. Now you can use this hair growth oil for your edges, and what you want to do is after when you wash your face or when you're going to bed or anytime when you want to moisturize your edges, you really want to just put the oil in there and just massage it with your finger. This mixture of oil can also be used for your scalp massages. Now, aloe vera oil has a way of repairing your skin cells and also improving the moisture and conditioning your scalp and giving your scalp kind of that healthy base for hair growth. Lastly, you can also use this to moisturize your hair. Now, what you want to do is you want to take the oil after washing your hair. Yeah. My shrinkage amazes me all the time. But after washing your hair, you want to take the oil and put it to your hair, then grab your cream. Now you take your moisturizing cream, put that on top. The shine that you get will be amazing. You see that? Lastly, I take the olive oil mixture and I put it to the ends of my hair to seal in that moisture. Now when you put it to the ends of your hair, it prevents the ends of your hair from breaking and from getting all knotted up, and it helps you a lot with split ends and those knots, those fairy knots you get. So lastly, you can style your hair whichever way you want to, and I normally just do twists to stretch my hair. So this is about it. This is how I use aloe vera oil in my hair regimen. So let me know down below, how do you use aloe vera oil, and is it something that you like to incorporate into your hair regimen? Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.